Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. In this video, we'll be making clay model number 31, which is a pair of convex mussel shells. We're working through the book, A Manual of Clay Modeling by Unwin. This book was originally published in 1912 and is apparently the book that was used by Charlotte Mason in her teaching of clay modeling. We are working through all 60 models from this book, so if you're a homeschooling family following the Charlotte Mason method and would like some minor guidance, come follow us, subscribe to our channel, and we'll do it all together. Now, just a couple things before we get started. We are really excited to share with you that we have opened an Etsy shop called Happy Handicrafts Shop, where we'll be selling many of our Happy Handicraft projects that you've watched us create. We'll also have some creations that we've made just for fun. So if you see something that you love, it's a great way to support us and to help keep this channel going. I'll put a link to it below. Also, be sure to check the notes in the description for a list of materials needed for this project and for a download of the biggest list of homeschool handicrafts on the internet. Pause this video for a moment so you can get that, and then let's get started. Since we're at the halfway point in the book, we decided to get a new box of terracotta clay, as our original block of clay was getting dried out and harder to work with. You don't have to do this, but it was just nice working with softer clay. The mussel shells should not be separated, but pressed flat onto the table. In order to do this, obviously they need to be opened, so that's where we started. We dropped our shells into a pan with hot water and waited for the shells to open. We then removed the meat and laid the shells flat on our table, ready to be modeled. For this project, we're not going to use the armature, and we're going to refer to the instructions for model number 19, the cockle shell. The book instructs us to make the model half as large as the shells, but ours were pretty small, so we made them the same size. And that completes model number 31. I hope your mussels look better than ours. Thank you for following along with us, and we'll see you soon in our next video.